Hey cake friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're gonna do something fun with our buttercream. So the outside of our cake will still be fun and festive, of course, but the inside is gonna be the star today. We are gonna make a candy cane striped look in our buttercream, so when we cut into that cake, there's gonna be a striped candy cane look inside. Super fun. I love candy canes around the holidays because they're just so festive and fun, so we have to decorate with them today. We obviously need our cakes, and I've dyed our buttercream red and left some white candy cane look, obviously. We have our piping bags, and I'm just gonna walk you through it and show you guys how to fill this cake so that when you cut into it, there's a fun candy cane surprise. Also, I'm just gonna keep finishing decorating it so you guys can just follow along, and I hope you guys have fun today. To make our candy cane look inside our cake, I have just filled 2 piping bags with white and red buttercream, and now I'll show you how we get the candy cane look. We're gonna start around the edge and just pipe in a circle. And then we're gonna switch with our red. There we have it. Now, when we cut into our cake, we're gonna have a candy cane look. As you can see, as we cut into it, now it's got the red and white kind of striped candy cane-ish look inside that cake. Super fun, and it looks cute. Also, when you cut it on the plate as well, super fun and festive, and super easy. All right guys, as you can see, we made a fun, not only striped candy cane cake on the outside, but a striped candy cane on the inside. It's super easy. If you watched my tutorial, easy. You guys can do this, and everyone's gonna be like, oh my gosh, you're amazing, because you are, and you guys can do this at home. It also looks super cute when you get the cake sliced, give it to people, and they'll be amazed by your awesome cake skills. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Shalice Bakes Cakes, subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of the fun, and have an awesome day, guys.